Hello viewers, welcome to Happy Streamers. In this video, I'll show you how to add follow button on your Facebook profile. If you don't want to get friend request by all and want to add followers, you can set that. Your followers will be able to see your post. Let's see how to do that. First go to Facebook first. Now from the top right corner, select your profile icon. Then go to setting and privacy. Now go to setting again. Now from the left menu, you will find public post option. Select it. Now on the first one, you can see who can follow me. It is selected to friends. Let's select friends and make it public so everyone can follow you. That's all. If you find this video useful, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.